boys and girls. Welcome to the Mechanicsville branch of Pamunkey Regional Library. I'm Cindy Hooper.
And I'm Carolyn Lewis.
And this is another one of our kitchen close-up series. Carolyn's going to tell you what we're making today.
So today we are making marshmallow pops. Very easy.
They look delicious too.
They do. So our ingredients are going to be marshmallows. We have skewers that you're going to poke into the marshmallow.
And just in case you don't have skewers at home, you could use
popsicle stick,
a fork.
A fork,
yeah. Anything you have that'll just give you something to stick in there and hold it.
A toothpick.
Yes. So
you could even use smaller marshmallows if you want to.
Yeah.
All right. So we have chocolate.
Yeah, that we've melted.
Yes. In the microwave.
Yes. And then we're going to dip the marshmallows in the chocolate and in these different things.
Yum.
Yes. Should we tell them what we have?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. This is some crushed nuts. And these are just the things we picked.
Yeah,
you guys
can pick anything you want.
Crushed nuts. Here's a Butterfinger bar. A Heath bar. You want to go on?
Graham crackers. The little mini M&Ms. And these are the Red Hots. They're all crunched up. And that's pretty much what we did with some of these. Like a candy bar. We just crunched it up in a Ziploc bag. And that's what we have.
Yeah. All right.
So
let's try some dipping.
Yes. So you're going to take whatever you have. We'll just call them the skewers.
Yeah.
Put it in like
marshmallow.
It almost feels like a campfire.
It sure does. In fact, if we dip it in the chocolate and the graham crackers, that's like making a s'more.
A s'more, yum! All right, so.
Yeah, that's perfect. And I like how you didn't go all the way up.
No.
You're just trying to get part of your marshmallow covered.
That's right.
All right,
and
what are you
I'm going to do
the Red Hots.
The Red Hots.
Okay. And then they stick on there.
Yeah, actually I'm going to pick it up. So I'm going to kind of roll it.
So you can get it around the edge.
Yes.
That's a good idea. And sometimes a little of the chocolate drips off. Don't worry about that.
That's okay.
Yep.
Then.
Oh, it's going to drip.
Yeah, sure.
That's
sure.
okay. Perfect.
We're just going to set it there and let the chocolate harden.
Right.
Which one are you going to do?
All right. I think I'm going to do, I love Heath bars. So let's see if these Heath bars will stick on here. And again, yeah, it gets on the bottom, but you got to kind of work it around to get it on the sides.
If it were on a plate.
You could roll it.
Yeah, you could just roll it.
That's good.
For space, we're just keeping them in these cups. Oh, look at you.
I think laying down's better because we're going to have all these sticks in front of us.
All right. I am going to, I think graham cracker.
Okay, you're making the s'more.
Yes.
Oh, that looks good. And that's actually the one that probably sticks the easiest because they're so light.
So, and so smashed up we did.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And get as much on there as you want.
Yeah.
Doesn't that look delicious?
I think it looks pretty how you have like a little white showing, then a little chocolate showing, and then a little of your topping showing. But you guys do it however you want.
Yeah. No matter what, it's going to be delicious.
That's right. I mean, when you got marshmallows and chocolate and candy.
Anything is better.
Yeah, you can't go wrong, really. Okay. Now, I don't know how well these M&Ms are going to stick, but I'm going to try.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, better than I expected. All right.
And remember, we're all about trying. Just try it until you get it to work.
Exactly.
And so that's what we did with those.
All right. I think we have Butterfingers and nuts left.
I think I'm going to do Butterfinger.
Okay. Then I'll do the cashews.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
I just really want to leave it like that.
And we could.
Chocolate.
Let's do our last one like that.
Right.
You do the Butterfinger, I'll do the nuts, and then we'll leave one that's just chocolate.
Oh, right.
And what we're going to do when we're done is we're going to turn off the video and just let these harden because that takes a little bit of time.
Yeah.
But then we'll turn it back on real quick to show you guys.
We may put them in the refrigerator.
Even better, yes. That if you're impatient, which sometimes we are, that'll firm them up a little faster.
It's hard to be patient when they look so good.
Yes, when there's something like this in front of you. Okay.
Oh my goodness, that smelled good. So delicious.
Okay. Nuts and chocolate are always a good combination. Everything in chocolate is always a good combination. Oh, that one looks a little funny, but that's okay.
It looks good though.
All right, let's do one chocolate one.
Let's do each one chocolate.
Okay.
We share on a lot of things, most everything, but we may
We
do
each want our
on
own
this.
on
Yes.
these, yes.
Oh, yummy. All right.
Oh.
Okay. There we go.
Okay. I'm kind of going up high on the
yes.
chocolate.
Look at
I'm
you.
gonna be getting a little chocolatey there. All right, I'm gonna put mine here. All right, so we will show you what these look like after they've firmed up a little bit, and
Yes.
maybe we'll do a little sampling too.
Mhm.
Let us know how yours turn out.
Yes. Okay, we're back now and just pulled these out of the refrigerator. They have hardened, the chocolate on them has hardened up and they look delicious.
They really do. Oh, we can't wait to try them.
Yes.
All right.
Let us know how you do.
Bye-bye.
Bye.